Pros and cons of water purifiers for your house. Dear friends, in today's world, clean drinking water is essential, and many homeowners consider installing a water purifier. A water purifier is a device that removes impurities, germs, chemicals, and other contaminants from water, making it safe and healthy to drink. But is a water purifier really worth it? Let's look at the pros and cons before you decide. One of the biggest advantages is safety. A good purifier removes harmful bacteria, viruses, chemicals, and impurities that may be present in tap or groundwater. This ensures that your family gets clean, healthy, and great-tasting water every day. A purifier also reduces the need to buy packaged drinking water, helping you cut long-term costs and reduce plastic waste. Plus, purified water protects appliances like kettles and water heaters from scaling and mineral deposits. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. Water purifiers require regular filter changes and maintenance, which adds to the cost over time. Certain types, like RO systems, also waste some amount of water during purification. In areas where the water supply is already treated and safe, a simple purifier may be enough, making an advanced system unnecessary. So, is a water purifier worth it? The answer depends on your local water quality and your family's needs, but for many households, it provides valuable long-term benefits. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.